Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 375 horsepower turnkey package for our customer's 1955 Chevy Impala. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We have the 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft. We have the aluminum heads on there. All the rocker arms are fully adjusted and all set. Proper oil pan for the 55 Impala. Brass freeze plugs. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires in orange, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. It's real nice Chevrolet valve covers with a matching air cleaner. We have the air gap aluminum intake manifold. Proper thermostat housing. We have the 2 water ports for extra coolant sensors. Thermostats in there. Quick fuel carburetor. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor, real important on the 55 Impala for firewall clearance right there. Manifold vacuum fittings are all installed for easy vacuum fitting hookups. We have the proper flex plate for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance. High torque mini starters installed and all set. We got the chrome dipstick and tube. All the Russell PCV ventilation lines hooked up, PCV valve, high flow fuel pump, all the fittings are installed, all set. Gas filters installed, heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the fuel lines are ran right up to the carburetor. This beautiful chrome Raptor serpentine pulley kit is installed. We have the self-tensioning belt tensioner on there. 8-rib serpentine belt, heavy duty. AC compressors on there, high flow aluminum water pump. 160 amp chrome alternator, 1-wire hookup right there. GM Saginaw power steering pump on there. Make it simple for all the fitting hookups right there. So there you have it. This is our 350, 375 horse turnkey package. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. All the settings will be set. Carburetor adjusted, timing set. You'll see the all the readings, the vacuum gauge readings, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. You'll get a video of your engine running, photos of the entire engine build sent to you. There you have it. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business over 50 years, family owned and operated. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.